Lord our God, you are the fountain of all God's gift. And we come to you seeking for your abundant blessings on these new ventures today. The Prominent International.
So, make a goal. Then, number 2, make an action. So, syempre, goal without action is useless. So, kailangan, pag may dream ka or may pangarap ka sa buhay, kailangan actionan mo siya para makuha yung pangarap mo. Multi-level marketing is a good business because they're giving opportunity to other people na kumita. Then of course, kumita ng extraordinary income. So, ang natutunan ko lang po sa buhay no, na kahit ilang beses po tayong nadapa dahil po sa mga trials po na dumaan sa atin, never ever quit to get your dreams. Yun lang po yung isa sa mga natutunan ko po, especially sa mga mentors ko, sa mga nagturo po sa akin, nag-guide po sa akin, huwag pong mawalan ng pangarap. So, nandito po si Prominent International para tulungan po tayo makuha po yung mga gusto natin sa buhay.
Vision ng kumpanya, lahat ng mga tao na nandito ngayon sa labas na mga kilala natin, malaman nila kung ano ba talaga si Prominent International.
So, nandyan lang po si Prominent International and of course, the management na para po suportahan po tayo lahat. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat and welcome to Prominent International.
Prominent, it will be your vehicle to your success. You can never be small to dream big.
Prominent makes all things possible.
Prominent is the key towards our dreams.
Prominent is the best.
Prominent will lead you to become successful.
Prominent, creating ideas and building brands that truly matter to people.
Prominent is the perfect moment, and Prominent can change our lives.